Alright, boys, ready for the day. Got the plain black tee. Got the, that's the Michael K. I ain't gonna lie, I got the work shoes on, just the Hirachis. But yeah, I need to have the good old comfortable day. Let's go ahead and go get it, man. Got my package too. Had to go buy a new fucking air compressor because I dropped mine and that bitch broke. So yeah, let go. Oh yeah, don't see that behind my ear. I don't know what that is. Put that away. Yo, y'all. Shouldn't turn this way. So boys, really fucking then saw Corey today on the way to fucking work. See, as y'all see, I'm at the fucking barber studio right now. Yeah, boys on their bike and shit. Boys fucking saw Corey on the way to work today. I wave and shit, and bro really takes off. Like, okay, thought I was gonna say what's up, but now we fucking racing. So, vroom vroom, goddamn me, boys out here racing. I need a retwist bad, y'all. Don't judge me. I'm still in. I gotta get to looking at the camera shit back down, but yeah, it's up now. It's up, then it's stuck. You heard me. So yeah, after we raced, I ended up making a post on Instagram and tagging him on my story, and he ended up reposting it and everything. Just so y'all know, it ain't no cap in my rap. So these boys are here trying to see what's going on with this girl broke ass. Greg, don't put your hands on me either. Keep your hands to yourself. Y'all want to say what's up to the vlog? Chrissy, that's my sis right there. If y'all need some waxing done, you need that punani right. Go to the wax. What is called?
The wax code.
Yeah, that way.
Oh, yeah.
If you need your FedEx package, she gonna got you right. You heard me? She gonna get you right.
Oh,
we up in this thing.
And what we is now? You gotta advertise us too.
Oh yeah, Jay the Barber. Go ahead and shout yourself out. Even though they know who you are, they see you in every video, bro.
Don't get it twisted.
That's Jay to Jay. I'm Zay to Zay. That's goddamn. Hold on. I might be on to something, goddamn.
Zay to Zay.
Zay to Zay. That's kind of fire and cool. So yeah, she got weak spots and shit.
She got weak spots.
My sister need to read to us. We both need help though. It's all good. I ain't gonna cast stones in a glass house. You heard me? No cap.
That boy crazy. Your bases are like super tall. Mine?
But you got inches though. Look at this shit. Inches.
That's the longest hair now. This is how long it was when we first cut it.
That shit damn near to your shorts, bro. That shit crazy.
If I didn't cut it, it would have been at least
you sitting on your shit. That shit crazy.
That shit too long though. My shit almost there.
Shit, I'll make a root beer float at work. Looking ass. Say what's up, y'all. Wanna say what's up to the vlog, bro? RJ, like, you better give me a fuck up there. Bro, but I might edit that out. Y'all both look like y'all ready to whoop my ass. Goddamn. I can't record this. You wanna record me doing it?
What you gonna do?
You told me to record it. I'm gonna make a goddamn root beer float. I'm joking, but so serious.
Yeah, you can really use that. Cause all you gotta do is like screenshot like a video.
Yeah, we're about to make a root beer float because this is about 90-some thousand degrees outside. I'm sitting there. My boy ain't never had a root beer float.
That boy ain't never had a root beer float. He just got here from
oh shit.
Where you from, bro?
Turkey.
He just got here from Turkey.
I just crossed the border, bro.
Yeah, he just first.
I don't know where I came from. He just swam.
He just swam on the ship.
I don't want to make too much. Alright, that'd be cool.
Hot boy, what it do? Chilling. That boy stay smoking. He smoking that most.
That's the other videos. Got a little ice cream. Something slight. I feel like I need more ice cream in there.
Oh yeah, you smoking that most though.
Nah, we're not.
Oh, you
called.
Yeah, that's that tobacco.
Nah, you called. Jay the police. Alright, Vlad TV.
What happened to your truck, bro?
Ooh, what happened to it, bro? You gonna see tomorrow.
Alright, y'all.
Oh, you're trying to lift it and all?
That whole fire. Ooh.
I'm more excited for that than that.
Yes, that whole fire, bro.
This
I gotta go pick it up today.
Are you going to pick it up today? How much?
It don't look as good as I thought.
$5,000?
I was like, damn, but I financed it though.
That root beer flizzo. You try, bro?
What's up,
My boy.
Oh yeah, that boy be looking out.
You about to see, bro?
Ooh. Oh yeah. Y'all doing trade for a trade. Let the people know if it's good.
What's that? What's in here, bro? Why are you trying to be...
Boys that really bought their first fucking set of diamond earrings. My nigga Jay that hooked me up.
Hooked you up.
No cap. The sis from another miss. You heard me. I can't flip this hoe while I'm recording. That's the only fucked up part. Yeah, get them hoes.
Yo.
Yeah.
Oof.
Show him the box. Close the box for him. Where he go? To zales. No cap.
Got them hoes.
No kids. I didn't go to zales. I went to Jay's.
Yeah.
No cap. Look, I went to Jay's. Motherfucking no Jay's plays for today. You heard me? She got me Riz like.
Yeah, that is what middle. That middle part, that shit.
Yeah, because when I be like, that bitch look like a glacier. That's the part I be talking about. I be thinking it's, I don't know if that's a rock or not right there, bro. If that look, it could be rock, but it could be gold too.
What, the middle?
Yeah. Is that rock or is that gold?
No, you talking about the middle on the outside.
No, the middle and the inside. The part that we was like, that's the part that be hidden.
Yeah, this part right here.
Yeah, where your nail is.
Yeah, I don't know.
That shit, yeah, I don't know either.
But that shit make it look.
Yeah. We just look like the icy twins on this side. The icy twins.
That was funny though. You gonna put them in that ear too?
Yeah, both ears. Unreleased footage, goddamn me. Let's see if he says something funny. What y'all think about these transitions? I saw that these transitions is not it. No transitions, but she said to do them, so we gonna fucking do them.
We fucking learn it.
Yeah, we gonna see, man. Yeah, steak 48 and shit, big fancy, expensive ass nigga. Jay the richest nigga I know. Let me see your earring, bro. It's the richest nigga I know, bro. Your earring cost a down payment, no cap. Tell them niggas that hoe 6 times 2. And I ain't talking about with 1 0, you heard me? My nigga rich. Jay my rich older sister.
Okay.
You said what? Oh, she really not rich? We both on the way to get rich, bro.
How much that shit was? $60 for goddamn steak.
That shit crazy as fuck.
Damn bread.
That shit good, bro. I ain't never had steak 48. I only had steak 46, goddamn. I'm for real, I had steak 24. I can't afford that, goddamn. That's the winter steak. That bread look good as fuck. Oh, that hurts soft. Here we go with the transitions, Jay. God damn, Jay.
Okay.
Let you give them niggas a goddamn vertigo and shit. Look at bread. That's the way the bread broke for me. Okay, Ajax, go ahead and get that.
That's what I'm
Not the Bro, what the fuck is wrong with you? Bro, you tweaking, bro. You tweaking, bro. Bro, tweaking. She got wine and shit. For sure.
That shit look nice.
What's the show on the temple?
Sprite and cherry juice.
Sprite and cherry juice. So it ain't no liquor in it? Hey, you ordered a non-alcoholic beverage, you?
Bro, we was drinking. That was the night before. After we went to the whole shit. What the fuck?
Yeah, we done had a long ass day up here at the shop. This shit fucking crazy. All the way. Boys, you know the vibes. No cap. You know the vibes.
Money, what?
Yeah, big way. The money way. It's just today though. Don't get it fucked up. It's just today. Shit, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all boys. You wanna say something to the vlog, Joe?
Hey, what it do? What's going down? Make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram @ I am Jada, because I am Jada, baby.
It is Jada J, no cap.
Ain't no other way, no other. I'm not
kizzy. Rich nigga Jada. Quit playing with her, bro. Quit playing with my sis, bro. Oh yeah, for real.
We gotta stay humble.
Oh yeah, we gonna stay humble. We gonna stay humble and blessed, no cap. You heard me? Yes, sir. I shoot with the birthday girl. Big 26, you heard me? Big 26 with the Gucci belt across the future, you heard me? Yeah, I'll chill.
I'm here stepping like I'm 36, but
your neck kind of blinging right now. Your neck kind of blinging, you heard me? Yeah, we out here lit. Big maestro's dinner. Big maestro's dinner up in here. About to get some steak. Stay up late. Eat off a plate. You heard me? It's gonna be great. You heard me? Hold on. I ain't gotta drive. You heard me? So I'm gonna get littered. You heard me? Let's go. Getting that Sunday work up in here, man. Getting it in, getting it out today. I'm trying not to be in here all dang on day. No kizzy. Boys got the Rari out, the lamb out here with the goddamn forges and shit. Like, oh yeah, that way. Which I might as well give me some day I ate donuts, no cap, because like actually the boogers, ugh. Got boogers in my nose, no kizzy, no cow. But yo, I was gonna give me some kolache and a good old strawberry whatever donut with the sprinkles. That's like my go-to. That strawberry with the sprinkles hits different, no cap. So yeah, okay, boys, out here on the bike life. Oh yeah. My peoples, no kizzy. Need to pull my bike out. But yeah, got a pool party today. Supposed to go with Jay. Go to this pool party. It's gonna be lit. I gotta go get a bottle and shit. So we about to have a litty 3-titty day, bro. So let's stay tuned to the Zay show. I mean, the Today show. You heard me? Let go.